If you want to use text-to-speech on Poco C85, you will have to start by opening the system settings and scroll all the way down to the additional settings. Next, you have to open accessibility. There we go. And then you have to go for vision and move into the select to speak. Now we have to turn it on by clicking on this switcher, and by clicking on the settings you can customize it, so we can turn on and off some additional options like read in the background, read text on images, but also you can change, for example, the reading voice, or there's also text-to-speech settings, like you can change the volume and speech. Those settings are available just over here, and there's also option to change a language. Now if you want to use this, for example, I want to read out this phrase, I have to click on this icon that will appear here, and now I have to select like so.
Select to speak. Tap a feature to start using
One
it.
more time.
About select to speak.
There we go.
How to use select to speak.
If you want to finish, you have to just click on this button, and if you want to turn it off completely, click over here.